Hey there, friends! Today, let's guess the animal names by their sounds. But wait, first let's sing a song.
In the jungle deep and wide, all the animals side by side, they march along in a happy parade through the forest in the glade. Oh, the animal parade, what a sight to see! Lions and tigers dancing with glee. Elephants trumpet, monkeys sing high in the animal parade under the sky.
Listen carefully. An elephant! Yay! Now let's listen carefully. A lion! Okay, listen again. A horse! Great job! Now listen quietly. A goat! Nice one! Listen carefully. A frog! You did it! Ears on the ground and listen. An owl. Nice one. You guessed it. Another time to listen carefully. A rooster! Yay! We did it! Listen attentively. A dog! Woof woof! Great job! Listen again. A hen! Nice one! Now let's sing a song.
We clapped our hands and stomped our feet. Hi-ho, hi-ho, hi-ho. Rig-a-jig-jig and away we go, away we go, away we go. Rig-a-jig-jig and away we go. Hi-ho, hi-ho, hi-ho.
Now let's listen again. A sheep! Great job, guys! Time to listen again. It's a pig! Listen carefully. A camel. You guessed it right. Listen carefully. A cow. Moo. Listen attentively. It's a duck. Nice guess. Listen quietly. A whale. Great job, guys. Listen attentively. A tiger. Yes, a tiger. Listen again. It's a cat. A cat. Thanks for listening to Animal Sounds, and you did a great job by guessing their names. Hope to see you next time, and remember to like and subscribe and show to your friends and play this game of animal sounds and their names. Until next time, see you. Bye.